What's up, guys? So today is Friday. It's a pretty good day. Ended up getting rid of the Altima for about $2,200. So we just now leaving Chase. We just got word that our new charger that we ordered on Copart just came in. Well, it just got here to where I am from Miami. So I got the money to pay the shipping guy, and we're gonna wait for him to pull up. Let's see what this thing looks like.
6.5 hours later.
What is up, guys? So the charger has just touched down, and from a first glance it looks pretty good. 2012 charger, IAI. Just finally got here to the West Coast from Miami. So let's see what it looks like. Damn, man, so you drove away from Miami?
Yeah.
Damn, that was interesting, huh?
It's a long drive.
Long ass drive.
Yeah.
So here's the charger, the IAI. Hope I don't get smacked trying to film. And it starts up and all that stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah? Ooh. Okay. It looked like the mirror. Okay, no. It looks pretty decent. It looks pretty decent. I am very impressed.
Can you sign it here?
Yeah. The charger is here. Let's get it. Let's see what we can do, buddy. Hey, quick little walk around. So, you're looking, my buddy got away here from Miami.
Yeah.
You going on my YouTube, man?
Oh, really?
Okay. So at first glance, it was cool. Now I'm starting to drive it. Sounds like it might be like a strut or an axle or something. I don't know. We'll have to see. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. I'm definitely glad I chose to get it shipped rather than drive it, because I don't know if this would have worked out. I don't know what that is. So we just got the charger. I'm just checking out the idle hours. It says 421 idle hours. That's kind of a lot. Engine hours, 3,100 engine hours. I need to show all this stuff on IAI, I think. All these good pics. But I mean, no lights. I hear like a strut or an axle, something like that. Like maybe they ran up on a curb or something like that. That's what I'm hearing, I think. Don't really know just yet.